Today, you're going to learn how to avoid late filing penalties by using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll walk you through the exact prompts you can copy and paste so you know your deadlines, stay organized, and keep yourself penalty-free every tax year. This guide is perfect for beginners, freelancers, landlords, side hustlers, and anyone who tends to leave their tax return until the last minute. Before you begin, make sure you know which tax system applies to you, UK or US, and have a note of your expected income records, login details, and any documents you'll need to complete your return. The prompts will help you build a personalised timeline so nothing gets missed. Start by asking, tell me whether I need to file a tax return this year, and give me the exact deadlines for my situation. This ensures you know the correct filing date for your country. Next, create your personalised plan using make a simple step-by-step timeline for completing my tax return before the deadline, based on my income and work situation. Then stay prepared by listing what you need with create a checklist of the documents I should gather now to avoid delays when filing. To avoid penalties related to missing information, use explain the common reasons people get late filing penalties and help me identify which ones apply to me. If you're worried about falling behind, ask, make me a weekly or monthly routine to stay on track so I never miss a tax deadline. Before wrapping up, check your readiness with, give me a quick review checklist to confirm I'm on schedule and won't get a late filing penalty. And finally, build a yearly habit using, create a simple reminder routine I can follow after filing so next year is even easier. And that's it. Staying penalty-free becomes much easier once you know your deadlines, prepare your documents early, and follow a clear routine guided by ChatGPT from start to finish. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.